If you are preparing for EDIC Part 1 examination, this video is for you. At the very outset, I must warn you that all of you are getting trapped or scammed by so-called EDIC 1 courses that is being offered by various academy or institute. Why? Because EDIC Part 1 examination, it's a different kind of examination. Although it is MCQ, you think it will be like any other Indian MCQ examination, but it is not true. And remember this, it cannot be cracked by hearing video lectures. No. And in most of these scammed academy, they use video lectures, age old PPT slides. Those who are presenting the lectures to you, they haven't given the EDIC exam at all. They are not experienced in the EDIC examination system. What to speak of what questions comes in EDIC part 1 examination. They are inexperienced. They know nothing about the ESICM modules or packed modules. This is a money making scam to collect some PPTs that you can get in the YouTube or online and present them as if they're teaching you how to crack EDIC examination. This will not work. This is 100%. I can tell you from my experience, video lecture with old PPT with inexperienced person, those who have never given EDIC examination, is never going to help you. Rather, it will distract you. It will kill your time, valuable time. EDIC examination happens twice a year. It is costly. You get only few months to prepare, and they are killing your time. They are distracting you from your purpose. So I will advise you, it's up to you. You have a free choice, but these things won't help. Logically, what will help, I'll explain you. See, the exam has two types of question. That is, one is A type, one is K type. In the A type, we have 5 options to choose from. Here, this is the killer. Normally, you have 4 options in any other examination system. Here 5 options means more confusion. So you need clarity. And clarity comes from knowledge. Same goes for K-type. K-type questions are actually rank decider because here you have 4 options. You have to give answer to every options like true, false. Even if you do 2 right out of 4, you get 0 mark. You get 3 out of 4, you get 0.5, 4 out of 4, right? So you can see how difficult it is. Even if you're correcting 2, you're getting 0 mark. So this needs clarity, and clarity needs knowledge. Knowledge specific to EDIC 1 examination. Not random, I mean again and again repeating, not random videos with old PPTs with inexperienced person, those who have never given EDIC exam. Clear? So this needs structured preparation. This needs understanding the exam properly. So what to do? The only solution is to read. I'm again emphasizing you, read packed module. But in the packed module, every system or every chapter of concern is not there. So packed module may not be enough. In those situations, you may try to read the O's manual, the Washington's manual, but packed module is very important. You have to read it at least twice. You can read the nice guidelines of critical care importance. All these things you have to read. But the next most important thing is you need to practice. You need to practice. You need to practice. Practice this A type and K type question. Only hearing video lectures won't do. Only reading this packed module, OS manual, Washington nice won't do. You have to practice. You have to learn how to eliminate options, how to recheck the options, how to analyze the options. So you need practice, you need questions. That's why you need MCQ bank. I have created a course. If you go to the website unstablephysiology.com or check all the links in the description, you'll find out I have covered all the relevant topics related to critical care medicine that is of importance in the EDIC examination. I have taken into consideration pact and covertries while preparing the MCQ question. So every topic has A type and K type questions. Practice them once, twice, write in the notes what is the weak point, we practice. I have 2 mock exam at present that I will increase to 4 by the end of this month. So practice all this question. I have more than 1500 MCQ. When you cover all these MCQ along with the explanation, rational, EDIC emphasis, you will find you have knowledge, you have clarity. Now you have practice, so you can confidently appear in the EDIC 1 examination. And another thing, for all this scam, false promises, they're charging you a lot of amount of money. I'm saying you, all this does nothing. So for a very nominal price, this EDIC 1 examination course I have prepared. You can go to the website, check link in the description, join the group, take the course and enjoy the benefit. It's very cheaper in comparison with all those scammed course scenario structure academy or institutions, right? This is what I am here to help you. I have been through all these things, so I have the experience to speak to you, and I have given 2 years to prepare all these MCQs. Personally carved by me, each and every MCQ structured by me with EDIC emphasis in each questions, like examiner commentary in EDIC part 2, here EDIC emphasis. In each question I have given what to give emphasis on, which part of EDIC question, what they primarily focus for. I have done everything for you. So I must encourage you to go and have a look at it. The neurology chapter, I have kept it all free for all of you so that you can check and find out the quality of the questions. And then you can decide on subscribing to the whole course or not.